welcome back to my channel. So today for What You Making Monday, I'm going to be making a soup that's semi-homemade. It is a wonton soup. So it has pork pot stickers in it, kale, carrots, chicken broth, garlic, so very simple soup, but you can adjust it at the end if you want it a little bit spicier. So I'm going to show you on the stove how to make it. So this recipe was created for like 2 people, but for us being a family of 4, I'm going to double it, and I'm hoping that will be enough for leftovers as well. 64 ounces of chicken broth. I bought one at the store, but then I also realized I had some in the refrigerator, so I'm using it all up. And I already have the burner on because we want to bring all of this to a boil. And I'm going to add in my favorite garlic. The recipe says grated garlic, but not doing that. So this will be just fine. Woo! Let's try not to make too much of a mess here. And then the pot stickers came with sauce, so I'm going to add that in here as well. Let's see. Should actually have another packet in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Both of those. Then need some shredded carrots. Put about 2 cups. Let's see. And then it says 1.5 cups of shredded kale or spinach. I just have kale since my family likes kale a little bit more. Okay. Give this a stir. And I'm going to let this come to a boil, and then I will show you how we add in the pot stickers. Taste test time. Smells delicious. I got a fork to eat the pot stickers with, and I got a spoon to get the broth. So try to show you in here. Looks really good, so I'm gonna try and see how this is. Not yet. Just so excited to bite into this. Yum! I love pot stickers as it is. I used to work at Noodles and Company, and so I would get their pot stickers all the time. I haven't tried making them myself, so maybe if I am brave enough, I can try and make pot stickers. That would be pretty delicious, but they taste really good, like if you just like boil them or fry them or whatever you do, but they actually taste really good being cooked in the chicken broth. You could probably do vegetable broth as well, but that is super delicious. And I'm going to try some of the broth here. And the kale, I probably could have chopped up a little bit, but I think it'll still work. Super yummy, simple ingredients that you probably have at home, or you could just run to the store quick and get some pot stickers. I mean, from start to finish, it was what, maybe 15 minutes, because there's not a whole lot of prep work, which I'm all about if you're looking for a delicious soup. As in the Midwest, we are having some cold, windy days, so having a nice warm soup is a great way to end the evening. But that is my wonton soup. I will post the recipe in the description. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that way you know when new videos are coming out. I post new recipes on Monday, and comment below what you are having for dinner tonight. I'll see you next time.